In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off translation for posts on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'm going to be using our account for an example, right? So if you love to turn on or off translation for posts on Facebook, ensure you see what I'm going to do right now. If I click on my profile, right, on my account, if I scroll down right now, you can see a whole lot of my posts, right? So if you love to turn on or off translation for posts, you're gonna be using these three dotted icons, right? So if I click on this right now, wait for it to load up, you can see turn off translation. I'm gonna click on it. You're gonna see translation from this post are turned off. So if I click on it again, translation from this post are turned on, right? So this is how you can turn on or off translation for posts on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.